give me face, give me face, give me face, give me face, give me face. Hi guys, welcome back. What's up? What's up? Hi guys, welcome back to a new video of me. In today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how I did this bang over here. It's a quick hairstyle. It's like when you have to go somewhere and you don't know what to do with your natural hair. So that's basically where this hairstyle is about. I hope you guys like it a little bit. Don't mind this noise at the background because they're actually working a few houses from here. I'm gonna try to remove that noise when I'm gonna edit this video, hopefully. The idea how I got this hairstyle was basically, how am I gonna create bangs without cutting the hair, actually, you know? So I was thinking, yeah, obviously every girl probably, if you're a weave wearer, if you use extensions or weave, whatever you want to call it, you probably have a lot of old hair laying somewhere in your fake hair box or something. So I do have a lot of like old hair that I maybe not really use, and I wouldn't mind to cut them. I was thinking a little bit creative. I mean, how I'm gonna like put all this work together to make it look decent. Oh, that noise is so annoying. I was like, you know what, let me just do some pink flavor, because I really don't really use pink and I don't really wear glitter as well. I like glitter, don't get me wrong, I really like it on other people, but I don't like it on me. I'm a very like, not basic, but I like neutral colors. I like really brown, bronzy kind of colors. I'm absolutely not the type of person with color. It's just not me, you know. I just like the basic thing. I'm the type of girl, like, I just keep on what's best for me. So if I think this is the best look, I'm gonna rock this look. Okay, for some particular reasons or occasions or team or whatever, teams, I might, like, you know, change up my makeup style a little bit, you know. But I'm not the type of girl that will rock like purple, all kind of thing. I don't, just for the sake of the video and stuff, and just to change up myself a little bit, I just decided, you know what, let's just change up the game, you know what I'm saying? I just gave birth to a girl 1 month ago, okay? So let me just rock my pinkish and stuff. So team pink over here. Okay. Yes. So actually I gave birth to a girl 1 month ago. I might do a video about it. I don't know yet. The baby girl's sleeping right now, so I just have to reduce my voice. But thank God my baby girl sleeps really good. She continues, I mean, she sleeps really during the day and stuff. She even sleeps during someone's cry or yelling or whatever. She will keep sleeping, so I'm so happy about it. And we are very, very, very blessed, you know. But that'll be a different video one day, maybe, if I'm ready for it, to share like the most precious gift God gave to me. So that's why I just decided to put some pink on me. That'll be the last time you guys see me wearing pink, because I'm not the type of pink person. Actually not. I'm a tomboy, down-ass girl. You know what I'm saying? Okay. I'm gonna just show you guys how I created this clip-in bang. I think it says it sells already. It's not really difficult. It's quite easy to make, you know. Everyone can come up with it. And to be honest, I'm actually not a hairstylist, so as you can see on my bangs, they are not even. I tried to work it out a little bit, but you know, the crazy thing is, I do not have a straightener at home right now. I do not have a straightener. So actually, I was not able to straighten this hair. You know, when you put the new straightener on top of it, it's gonna like give the balance, the shine back and stuff. So actually, I was not able to really straighten this bang. Poor me. I've already made the bang, so I'm not gonna make a new one, but I'm gonna try to precisely explain you guys how I made this bang. There are a few products you will need to create this bang. The bun is just a trick of Brazilian curly hair that I just wrap it around of my head. Very simple, not difficult. So that's one. We're not gonna talk about it, okay? We're just gonna talk about the bang. For this hairstyle, you will need this glue. You probably have it at home, or maybe not. but it's the well-known weave glue to glue down the tracks on your hair. If you do quick do or whatsoever, you can use, instead of glue, you can also sew it down, but I wanted to do it a quick, you know, quick bang, so I decided to glue it down. The second thing you will need to create this hairstyle is some scissors. You need some scissors, honey, because you have to cut the tracks. What else you need? Clip-ins. What I'm showing right here are the clip-ins. You only need, I think, 3 clip-ins. Okay. Up to the next product you will need for this hairstyle is hair that you don't need or don't mind cutting. It's all up on you. For the last product you will need is, this is an old legging that I'm not using anymore, and it's quite elastic. And no one will notice this. You won't even see it. You just need it to sew or to glue the tracks on top of it. I'm gonna show you guys in the next clip how I create this fox bag. What I am about to show you right now is quite easy. It's gonna take maybe just 7 minutes of work. I'm gonna try to break it down. What I forgot to mention earlier on, needle and some thread. This is the hair what I was wearing before. As you guys can see, this is just an example of what we're going to make today. It's quite easy. It's a piece of hair. And as you can see at the back of the hair, it has some clips in. That's what we're gonna need. As I said, I'm gonna use an old piece of cloth. I'm going to cut this. The first thing we're gonna do, gonna start from down and working upwards. Next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna use this glue over here. How the track will look like. You know, sometimes I let it dry a little bit, but right now I'm just gonna directly place it on top of the cloth. I start down and I press it very hard on top of that cloth, okay? So just press it down, press it down, press it down, and definitely use something while you're going to work with this glue in case you mess up things and stuff. I wouldn't really recommend you to use the blow dryer. It dries up really fast. If you want to do it to be extra secure, be my guest. We're going to work all the way up. After when you finish gluing all the tracks down, the next thing, that will be the last thing you should do, is you use some clip-ins. This is what you will need, those clip-ins. My own has 2 little holes in it to make sure that you sew the clip-ins on the right way. Because I hope you guys understood most of the things I said in the clip. Give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment down below.
Share this with your loved ones, with your friends, with your sister, with your mother, with your boyfriend, whoever wants to see this kind of hairstyle. Definitely do share this video, please, okay? Share this video. Please share this video. Please, please, please.
Thank you so much for tuning in, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.